Are you tired of drafts caused by your old windows and doors? Are you looking to improve the curb appeal of your home, but don't want the hassle of a messy and invasive installation process? Look no further than Windows Preferred. We are a certified window and door installation company recognized on Angie's List and the Chamber of Commerce, and we pride ourselves on providing top-notch services that will leave you and your neighbors impressed. At Windows Preferred, we understand that replacing windows and doors can be a big investment, which is why we offer a satisfaction guarantee. You can trust that our team of experts will provide you with the best window replacement in West Bend, Wisconsin. And to make the deal even sweeter, for a limited time, when you sign up for a free consultation, you'll receive a $200 restaurant voucher. Plus, with your purchase of any windows or doors, you'll have the opportunity to pick a vacation of your choice as a reward for your investment. Don't wait any longer to get the quality and service you deserve. Call the Windows Preferred today to schedule your free consultation and start experiencing the benefits of new windows and doors in your home.